How can I learn digital marketing in 2021? Watch this full video entire till the end. I'm gonna tell you how you can learn digital marketing in 2021. Let's get in. Welcome to iChaitanya YouTube channel. This is me, Chaitanya here. I'm a founder of iChaitanya.com and I've been practicing digital marketing since 2018. So a lot of people ask me, how do I learn digital marketing? So I'm gonna tell you all the steps how you can start learning digital marketing step by step. What are the ways you can learn digital marketing, and where do you find a job for a digital marketing? So let's get in. The first way where you can start learning digital marketing is you need to go and search for the agencies near your surroundings. When I mean agencies near your surroundings, whichever cities you are in, just try and Google it out and see the agencies which are into digital marketing and look for them and see if those are being agencies who have been running the businesses from past 2-3 years. Okay, don't join for the agencies which is just recently started, because they don't have so much of clients and you won't be able to explore so much of things when you join a new startup agency. Okay, look for agency which has already been set up and it's already been running for at least 2 to 3 years. And the other thing which you need to look into when you go for agency is the agency is good and is running, has a good clients to handle. So why I tell you this is, what will happen is when you have a good number of the agency has good number of clients, what will happen is you start exploring things at the vertical levels of all the digital marketing. So you can learn SEO, you can learn funnel building, you can learn web development, you can learn paid ads, you can learn social media advertising. There's a lot of things where you can explore when you start working with an agency as a fresher. Now there's a lot of agencies also hire freshers as well. So they train you, and you also, when they train you, you also need to make sure that you learn, put your extra effort exploring things, searching in Google and finding out all those things and information. That research is needed from your end. That's when you will be able to grow faster. That's one. The second thing what you can do is you can start looking for tools, and let's say you want to look for SEO tools, you want to look for email marketing tools, you want to look for automation tools, you want to look for scheduling tools. So what will this help you is, once you purchase the tools and start building an expertise on those tools, what will happen is you gradually learn using those tools, and you start relating these tools to other things as well in the digital platform. When you learn using those tools, you'll also start getting new clients. When I say new clients, you can start exploring, go to Facebook, search. There's a lot of groups out there where you can get a lot of opportunities for working. So let's say, for example, you go and buy some scheduling tools, that is social media scheduling tools. So you might see some posts out in the Facebook groups and pages, people who might be looking for social media calendars, social media posts. So when you have that paid tool, you can start exploring and then start creating content and then making images and then posting it and scheduling it through those particular tools. You might start earning a little bit, but that is good to start with using those tools. That's one point where you need to focus on. Other than that, what you also can do is you can also look for a person who needs the help. You can start helping him for a free of cost maybe, or you can charge him a small amount of money for that particular work. Try and understand what he actually needs, and then what you can do is you can explore that things and then start implementing those things. That also can be done at the initial stage. Do not have the mindset like at initial stage you want to learn. Don't have a mindset that you need to learn entire things in the digital marketing. It's not needed at the first stage. Let me tell you why. Most of all people who want to learn digital marketing, they think of SEO, they think of social media, they think of paid marketing, a lot of things they think. But let me tell you, if you focus one thing at a time and start learning, gradually what will happen is you'll also collect the information of all other aspects of digital marketing. Now this happened the same with me. I started learning a lot of other things, but I could not concentrate on all of the things, right? Then I focused only on one thing, one particular area, and then I started building expertise on that. So that's the reason, based on my practicality experience, I'm telling you that start focusing on one thing which you like, and then gradually you will go and explore a lot of other things as well, right? So that's a takeaway for you. And the next thing is, how do I start earning money in digital marketing? Now you might have come across a lot of YouTube channels, a lot of coaches and trainers telling you that the earnings they show you, right? That is exactly possible, but let me tell you this, it is not possible as a beginner. When you are into digital marketing, you have a goal that you want to achieve so much of amount of money in certain period of time, but do not be in the perspective of having that if I learn this I can have so much of income generated. So that means what will happen is, so you end up doing a lot of other things and you mess up with yourself and you don't have focus to learn one particular thing, right? So focus on one particular thing, develop that habit, gain expertise on that. What will happen is sooner you will see opportunities coming to you. Now when I started with building web development. I started with landing pages, and then I moved into paid marketing. So this is how the chain goes. So you start developing the interest in that particular area which you like to do, and slowly, gradually, you will start your money also coming to you. Like you will definitely achieve the amount you want to in over a period of time, in 1 year. That's not a problem, but you need to go gradually, step by step. It's not like you can jump from 0 to 1 lakh rupees. So don't run behind money when you're doing when you're starting to learn digital marketing. Okay, start building expertise on one particular area. That's what I want you to focus on. Okay, second thing is, if you want to have content where you want to build expertise on, let's say you want to build expertise on YouTube, how YouTube marketing can be done. So start following some channels. Look for the channels who give you a good value content in YouTube or all other Quora or all other platforms. See what they are telling you, and then try to implement those. It's not necessary that you go and purchase any course out there, but you have a lot of contents in YouTube itself. So go and stick to one particular channel and then explore that particular channel, utilize that and implement it yourself first, and then you gradually learn those things yourself. Apart from this, I would also recommend, if you are a learner, so if you are looking to go for an agency to learn digital marketing, I would suggest is do not go to agency or to learn digital marketing. The reason is they would ask you to spend a lot of money, around, you need to spend around 40 to 60,000, I think, the present time now, where agencies are charging around 50 to 60,000 just to help you learn digital marketing basics. They teach you just the basics. They don't teach you any advanced. Okay, like what I said in the previously, like you work with an agency, start purchasing tools and start working for someone for free or for a small amount of money. What will happen if you go in these routes is, you will explore more than what they teach you in the digital marketing agency, right? So do that, and hopefully I hope you would get good results when you start doing that. And let me know in the comment box if you start working on these things and you get good results. And sooner I would be coming up with my series of digital marketing. You can follow my channel, and I would have a playlist where you can learn digital marketing for free. And also along with that, I would go in depth on a lot of the tools which you can start exploring. And stay tuned. Signing off, Chaitanya here. Till then, learn, explore, improve.